The question is to find the derivative of the function. For the first function here, we have 3 terms. Then what we have to do is we find the derivative of each term. Okay? So derivative of y, dy over dx, or we can just write y prime, right? That is equal to, if constant is multiplied, leave that alone. Use power rule here, right? So 3 goes in front of x, subtract 1 from this exponent. So 3 minus 1, 2. Minus, leave this number alone, apply power rule again, x squared. So 2 goes in front of x, 2 minus 1, that's 1. Plus, if we have constant, derivative of constant is always equal to 0. So that is equal to 3 times 3, 9x squared, minus 4 times 2, 8x plus 0, we don't have to write it. So derivative of y, which is y prime or dy over dx, is equal to 9x squared minus 8x. For this function right here, we have 2 terms. So find the derivative of this term and find the derivative of this term separately. So derivative of y prime is equal to, number is multiplied, leave that number alone, apply power rule. 3 goes in front of x, subtract 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Minus, leave this number alone, derivative of cosine is minus a sine. So that is equal to, 6x squared minus 4 times minus sine x, that's going to be plus 4 sine x, right?